We started the Foldio to make a simple studio for everyone. Thanks to you guys, people all around the world are using the Foldio for their product photography.
Today we will introduce our new project, Foldio 3.
The size has increased approximately 2 times from Foldio 2. The Foldio 3 is the bigger and better solution for your product photography. For Foldio 3, we invented a new design to upgrade the size and portability. The Foldio 3 also comes as a magnetic structure, making it easy for everyone to use. The lighting device of the Foldio 3 is redesigned for better performance. The triple LED lighting is more powerful than before, helping to decrease shadows more efficiently. We've created an additional lighting device, the halo bar, which can be used with the Foldio 3 to improve lighting conditions. Attach the halo bars to the Foldio 3, then control additional lighting, or you can use the halo bars only to create a totally different atmosphere. Now start creating more amazing photos with the Foldio 3. The perfect studio for your product photography. It's the solution to upgrade your photos for your hobby, website, or workplace. Don't forget, you can use the Foldio 360 with the Foldio 3 to create 360 images of your products.
Please help us make this product. Thanks for supporting us.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
Since the 1940s, when my grandfather Jacques Cousteau invented the first open-circuit breathing device for underwater diving, many technological advances have been made to improve life for the 21st century scuba diver. Over the last decades, dive computers have changed the way we explore the underwater world, yet the tools we use today have been stuck in the past. Over the past year, Ocean's team of engineers and product designers have been working to create the next generation of underwater devices. A diving computer that automatically syncs wirelessly to your digital logbook, features a large Retina-class color display, a 3D digital compass for navigation, silent haptic feedback, and wireless charging. Oh, and this. The Ocean's S1 Supersonic is a new generation underwater device that adds another dimension to recreational scuba diving, buddy communication. Using ultrasonic waves, the Ocean's S1 Supersonic creates a virtual lifeline between you and your dive buddy, enabling diver-to-diver communication. Now, with just a tap of a button, you can summon your buddy, dive master, or instructor by sending a ping right from your diving computer. The Ocean's S1 Supersonic will change the way we dive and forever take away the hassle of getting your buddy's attention when needed. Divers and ocean champions around the world, join us on Kickstarter and help us revolutionize the diving computer as we know it. Only with Oceans.